The word aperture refers to the opening in the lens that controls how much light enters the camera. It is measured in f-stops. Wider apertures with lower f-stop numbers allow more light into the camera sensor, resulting in a brighter exposure. Using a wider aperture produces a shallower depth of field, keeping only part of the image in sharp focus and blurring the foreground and background. For portraits, photographers often use wide apertures around f2.8 to blur the background and make the subject stand out. For landscape photos, narrow apertures like f11 or f16 are used to get everything in focus from front to back. Advanced techniques like hyperfocal distance involve carefully setting the aperture to keep the foreground through infinity in perfect focus. Hyperfocal distance, at its simplest, is the focusing distance that gives your photos the greatest depth of field. Visit the site for more photography tips and tutorials. Like and subscribe for more free videos from Photo Discount World in South Africa.